So I'm just packing all my stuff. This is my camera stuff that I just packed, and this is my suitcase so far.
Vous trouverez notre règlement sur les appareils électroniques.
What's your thoughts on the chicken, Ernest?
Probably the best, I guess. I don't know. It tastes like well, it's just like the Popeyes you get, but like crazy.
Okay. So we just made it to the hotel, and this is the hotel in Paris. We're staying at like a Holiday Inn Express, and this is because we have a flight tomorrow very early for London. So I'm just gonna show you what the hotel looks like so far. It's a small hotel, but I'll give you a little tour of the hotel. So this is the bathroom, and this is what it looks like. It's a simple bathroom, and you have your towels here, you have your shower over here. It's pretty small, but it's good enough for kind of just like being in here for like a short amount of time. And then, so we have the bedroom, and so this is the bed. There's like a couch on this side a little bit, and this is the window, the TV, and this is the little coffee section or tea section. And then if you look outside, you can see the airport. That's how close we are to the airport. So this is one of the terminals for the airport. I don't know how to open the curtain, but this is what you see. We missed our flight to London, but we have a new flight in the morning, so hopefully when we get to London I can share some content there as well. And then after, we have some other places that we're going as well, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're at the hotel now, Eden, and this is the hotel that we're waiting on for our flight tomorrow. This is the food I got. I got fish and chips. I actually ordered in French, but I didn't record it. I wish I recorded it, but this is what we're doing now until we go back up. I don't know what we're gonna do later, but it's kind of late right now. It's about 10 o'clock or so. So we just made it to London. It was kind of a long drive from the Heathrow airport to where we're staying at, about like an hour and a half, and there was like some construction issues as well, or construction going on. I'm gonna show you all a tour of the room and show you kind of where we're staying. Okay, so guys, this is the room. This is the TV on this side, and then there's a bookshelf over it. And then if I turn to the right, there's a really nice and cute, cozy looking bed. There's a clock over that, and there's like this really nice wood behind there. I don't know if it's wood or if it's wallpaper. It looks like wallpaper, but it looks pretty nice. And then you have like this little sitting area. We have our suitcases on this side. Then there's this nice curtain with this light over the table. There are side tables, which are also really nice. And then over here you have like a desk / vanity, and then you have like the light above here, and then it goes down where you have this desk area and the chair. And then after that, there's this really nice closet that I actually really like how it looks. So when you open the closet, there's a light that turns on, and so for this closet, you could store like your coat and different things in here. There's also an ironing board. I think it's super cute. There's also a long mirror here, so you could see yourself in that as well. And then there's another closet here. This one, I have my wig in it right now. This is the bathroom door, and I'm gonna show you what the bathroom looks like next. So this is the bathroom. This is what it looks like. This one, can't really see it, but it says, oh, okay, you can see it now. It says dare to be different on the mirror. You have this regular stuff that you have in a hotel. And you have the shower right here. And then the toilet. If you guys don't know, I'm on a trip to Europe, and so my boyfriend, his job took us to Europe, but I'm his plus one, so I thought it would be a really good idea just to kind of vlog the things that we've done here so far and the things that we're gonna do. So basically we went to Paris first because that was the only flight that we could find that was the same for both of us, because he had to book through a specific service. I used Hopper to see if I could get some good deals or on some flights. So we ended up finding like a flight that matches, but it doesn't match exactly like the last part of the flight. He goes to a different airport in Houston and I go to a different airport. So that's not the best because we have our car parked at one airport. So it's gonna be, we need to figure it out basically. And so what ended up happening in Paris is that we ended up missing our flight because we went to the wrong airport. We assumed that it was gonna be the Charles de Gaulle airport, but then it turned out to be the Orly airport in Paris. So that was like 30 minutes away, and by the time we got to the gate and we realized that it was way too late to even get there on time, so we just decided to book new tickets. I realized that making sure like you take care of yourself is the most important thing, and it's obvious thing to think of, but I feel like sometimes we don't really like remember to do it. Focus. Basically, I got my food. I went downstairs. I didn't feel like going downstairs because I don't want to interact with people right now, but I got my food and I'm about to try it for the first time. But this is what it looks like. It looks so good. I was so excited to eat this. And they basically put like the spicy sauce, there's like lettuce, tomatoes on it. I got chicken, so I'm excited to try it a little bit. This is how big it is. Just like if you're from the Caribbean, and probably from other places too, it looks like something we have in Trinidad called like bake. Looks like something like my mom would make. So we got moved to the second room because the other room, the AC wasn't working. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of a tour of what this room looks like. So this is the entrance, and then in this one instead now you have the closet that's like toward the front. So you have kind of the same deal with the other closet with the light. Then you have another one right here. Like this, you walk down, it's like a hallway. This chair, so you have this little section here which we didn't have last time. And then now you have like the bathroom, and the bathroom is like way bigger than the other one. So this is what the bathroom looks like. The sink, you have the shower, and the toilet. This shower is actually a little smaller, it looks like, but you have like all the space to like for your mirror and everything, and then it's also a little wider, and yeah. So after that you still have the same kind of desk vanity setup. You have the light going down, you have the bed on this side with the side tables, pullover pillows this time, and then you have like this little sit-in section where Miles is sitting, and then a bookshelf over the TV. So the same thing, just a little bigger.
Would surely be Mayfair, just opposite Green Park Station, where we began our tour. Mayfair is the most expensive square on the London Monopoly board.
This is French. We're just walking back now to the hotel from the restaurant. Miles and I.